Hello guys, in this video I'm going to cover the Accenture assessment test. I am going to cover in this video the type of question they ask in the assessment, and the number of questions they have, and the duration they have given for the number of questions. Let us begin with the Accenture online assessment test. So I have some sample model question papers or the question sets, we can say that. So the first question is like, in which phase we create the test cases. So here it is type of theory based manual testing question, we can say that. So you have to just answer this uh, correctly based on your concept what you have. I'm not going to answer these questions. You have to answer this question and mention in the comment section what exactly are the right answer for these questions. Okay, so let's move to the next question. This is again based on the manual testing concept, like what exactly the assertion testing will do, and you have to answer this question. Let's move to the next question. Okay, so which testing is performed during planning and documentation phase? So you have options like ad hoc testing, monkey testing, first testing, and end-to-end testing. So you might know these concepts very well. So you have to just pick the right answer, and you are good with this thing then. Fourth one is which is not a data driven testing. So again you have options, multiple options. So guys, I just want to tell you that you just don't have to answer the correct one. So don't cheat, okay? Just go to the Google and just try to find out the answer and mention in the comment section. You just have to answer what you know from your testing experience, okay? I'm just reading out the questions, okay? Which is not the state of bug in bug life cycle? Verified, deferred, critical, postponed. Correct the right one. Here the interesting questions come, like by which browser Selenium ID is supported. So you have multiple options. You might know the answer as well. So choose the correct one answer, because it might be sometime confusion while seeing the options. This one is something difficult. The expression we use for anything, like while writing the XPath. So what we basically use. So I don't know how many of you guess the right answer for this. Next question is like, it is based on the scenario based. So sometimes they ask you the scenario based question as well, and they will provide you the multiple options. So it is not something which is a theory based or static questions, we can say that. Sometimes it is basically real time examples of the scenario. It is again might be a different or the unique questions I have picked for you. Tell me in the comment section as well, like it is the correct. I mean the number of question I have chosen, it is somewhat difficult or it is easy, because this kind of the level of difficulty they have mentioned. So yeah, again the next question, like Selenium method to get content which is inside any HTML tag. So this is a tough one. You if you are already practically perform this thing, then you might be able to answer this question. Otherwise it would be a difficult to think you have to answer this question. Then we have some Java based question as well. We have covered the manual testing, and then we have covered the Selenium part, and now it is the Java based concepts questions. Because you are if you are going for the Java and Selenium, then mix of question will you will definitely face over there. So choose the right answer for this question as well. And this is a kind of true false. Sometime it is easy, sometime it is very difficult. So guys, basically they will ask you based on the test ng questions, MCQs question, Java, Selenium, maybe the manual testing, and sometimes the real time scenario question as well, through the MCQ based only. So make sure and prepare like that only. And they will ask in the Java also the programming question, like string programming question, or the collection side, or some we can say that the basic inheritance, encapsulation, oops concept programming question, or the exception questions is also there. So you have to prepare like that also, because it is not something very easy, but if you have prepared, then it is not that difficult also. So then the second last question is like, what will be the output of this following questions? So you have to first of all understand the code, because you have less time for this also, so you have to do this quickly. Okay. And the last question of the sample questions: which of this method of class string is used to compare two string object? So you have to tell me the tell the method name for basically what exactly the method name is. So guys, I have shown you the type of questions they will ask in the Accenture assessment test. So I have shown you the model questions, and let's come to the next point, like number of questions. So basically they will ask you the number of question is 30 or 40 questions they will ask, including all the Java, Selenium, TestNG and manual testing MCQs. And then the duration of the test is equal to the number of questions they have. Basically, if they given you 30 question or 40 question, then you will probably get 30 minute or 40 minute, or you might sometime get 10 minute extra the number of question you will face. So you have to quickly answer those number of question within a 1 minute, we can say that. So that's all for the this video, guys. Like, this is the overview of the Accenture online assessment test sample questions and the model questions. So if you have any question or any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section. I know it's a short video, and I just want to give you the kind of hint or the idea, because many of the people are asking me this question. So thank you guys. Do subscribe to the channel and show your love. Okay, bye.